Hello and welcome to the Prompt Index, the podcast where we translate cutting-edge AI research into a narrative you can hear and actually use. Today we dive into Compare, clinical optimization with modular planning and assessment via RAG-Enhanced AI-OCT, a study that pits a domain-specific AI-OCT system against a general-purpose model and junior operators in guiding PCI with OCT. So what problem are the researchers tackling? Optical coherence tomography improves PCI outcomes, but its interpretation is highly operator-dependent. General LLMs like ChatGPT-5 can be capable with language, but they lack domain-specific grounding for intravascular imaging. The team built CAGPT, a retrieval-augmented, domain-tuned AI-OCT platform that combines automated OCT analysis with a rich, guideline-grounded knowledge base to support end-to-end PCI decision-making. Their methods are telling. This is a single-center retrospective study involving 96 patients and 160 lesions that underwent OCT-guided PCI. The CAGPT AI-OCT system integrates a small OCT analysis layer tracking lumen segmentation, plaque characterization, stent apposition, and even OCT FFR computation, with a larger model backbone, DeepSeek R1, and a retrieval-augmented generation framework. The system retrieves guideline content and more than 100,000 annotated PCI cases to produce a retrieve-reason-generate cycle, providing structured, evidence-backed recommendations for pre- and post-PCI decisions. For comparison, ChatGPT-5 was used as a general-purpose AI, and 4 junior interventional cardiologists served as human-only controls. The reference standard was expert procedural records adjudicated by senior PCI experts. 10 metrics, 5 pre-PCI, 5 post-PCI, quantified agreement with the expert record, scored 0 or 1 per metric for a total 0.5 per phase. What did they find? Pre-PCI, CAGPT achieved a higher median agreement score, 5 IQR 3.75 to 5, than ChatGPT-5, 3 IQR 2.4, and juniors, 4 IQR 3.4, with significant gains across all pre-PCI metrics. Notably, stent diameter accuracy was 90.3% for CAGPT versus 63.9% ChatT5 and 72.2% for juniors. Stent length accuracy was 80.6% for 54% and 52.8% respectively. Post-PCI, CAGPT again led, median 5, IQ 4.75 over ChatGPT-5, 4 for 5 and juniors, 5, 4 to 5. MSA assessments were perfect across groups for CAGPT, and CAGPT outperformed in stent expansion and apposition, especially in complex scenarios like OCT FFR, point-point ADU, and ACS presentations. The authors argue the edge comes from the RAG grounding and the domain-specific CAGPT engine, which mitigates hallucinations and aligns outputs with current guidelines in real-world cases. They also emphasize education and time efficiency, predicting standardized, reliable OCT interpretation as a pathway to broader OCT-guided PCI adoption. Of course, there are limitations. A single-center, retrospective design, no long-term outcomes yet, and the usual caveats about generalizability and translation across populations. Future work points to multi-center prospective validation and hybrid human-AI workflows to optimize clinical impact. Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like and subscribe to our channel. To advance your AI knowledge further, check out our free resources at the Prompt Index. You'll find the link in the description below. Until next time,